Students of class 10, today we will solve exercise 8.1. It is trigonometric exercise. In first question, given that in triangle ABC, 1 minute. First, I will start from NCERT exercise, and next after R.D. Sharma exercise and advisors exercise, advisor publication book exercise. Okay, so in this way we will solve a lot of questions related to this exercise. So students, be ready. In triangle ABC, a right angled at B, comma AB equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter, now you are asked to determine in first part sine of angle A, cos of angle A, and in second part sine C, cos of angle C. Now it is your question. Now we will start solution. To solve such problems, we should draw a right angle triangle according to given question. So I am drawing here a right angle triangle. How will you nominate this triangle? Given that right angle at B, so the vertex of the triangle were 90 degree, right here B, and given that A, B, C, we can write here A here or C here. You are free to assume A and C. Only B vertex is fixed, because in my question given here right angle at B, so B is fixed, and put the value of AB equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. So given that angle B equal to 90 degree, AB equal to 24 centimeter, and BC equal to 7 centimeter. It is very simple problem. Now we need to find the value of this hypotenuse AC. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC equal to under root AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Put the value of AB 24 centimeter square, BC 7 centimeter. Square of 24 is 576 centimeter square plus 7 square is 49 centimeter square, and sum of these values is 625 centimeter square, and the square root of 625 centimeter square is 25 centimeter. Now AC equal to 25 centimeter. First, solve sin A, means find the value of angle A with trigonometric ratio sin, means sin of angle A. If we take angle A, this BC become height or perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. It is already fixed. Hypotenuse is fixed. 25 centimeter. Now, sine of angle A, according to triangle, in triangle ABC, where angle B equal to 90 degree, sine of angle A equal to BC upon AC. Put the value of BC 7 centimeter and the value of AC 25 centimeter. It become 7 by 25. It means the value of sine A is 7 upon 25. It is the value of sine A, means sine of angle A, and cos of angle A, cos of angle A cos A equal to, for cos of angle A, AB is base or adjacent side, means AB upon AC equal to 24 centimeter upon 25 centimeter, which becomes 24 by 25. So cos of angle A equal to 24 upon 25. Very simple problem. And next, now we will solve sin C, means sine of this angle C. If we take this angle C, then perpendicular is AB. So sin C equal to AB upon AC, AB upon AC equal to 24 centimeter upon 25 centimeter equal to 24 upon 25. This is sine of angle C. And cos of angle C, cos of angle C equal to, for cos C, BC is base, so BC upon AC. Why BC upon AC? Because cos is base upon hypotenuse and here base is BC. BC upon AC. Put the value of BC 7 centimeter upon 25 centimeter. So cos of angle C equal to 7 by 25. It is the solution of first question of exercise 8.1. And in second question, in figure 8.13, find tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. So first erase it and now in second question. In second question, figure is already given. P Q R. Q is 13 centimeter. In this question only figure is given and you are asked find tan P minus cot R. Find tangent of P minus cotangent of R. So, the solution. In figure, given that PQ equal to 12 centimeter and hypotenuse PR equal to 13 centimeter. First, find out the value of QR. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, QR is the side forming right angle, one of the side forming right angle. So, QR equal to under root RP square minus PQ square. RP means 13 centimeter square minus 12 centimeter square equal to 169 centimeter square minus 144 centimeter square, because the square of 13 is 169 and square of 12 is 144, and subtract these values, it becomes 25 centimeter square, and the square root of 25 centimeter square is plus minus 5 centimeter. Here we will take only positive value. Now first find out tan P, means tangent of P. So tangent of angle P equal to, for angle P, QR is perpendicular, then perpendicular QR upon, and this side PQ is base. PQ equal to 5 centimeter upon 12 centimeter. Then tangent of angle P equal to 5 by 12 centimeter, and cotangent of angle R. Cotangent of angle R means cot of angle R. Cot R. Cot R means cotangent of angle means base upon perpendicular. It is reciprocal of tangent. So for cot R, base is QR. QR upon PQ. And the value of QR is 5 centimeter upon 12 centimeter, and cot R equal to 5 by 12. So tan P minus cot R. Now tan p minus cot r equal to 5/12 minus 5/12 equal to 0. Tan p minus equal to 0. This question can be asked another way. We can find out tan p equal to cot r. और इस यहाँ पर आपसे यह भी पूछा जा सकता था कि प्रूव दैट tan p equal to cot r. Prove that tan p equal to cot r. And from here we can find out tangent p equal to cot r, because you will transpose cot r towards right side and you will get tan p equal to cot r. So tan p equal to cot r. Here it is answer, but from this question it can be proved also. Tan p equal to cot r. And in this question we need not to find out the value of hypotenuse, because it is not necessary the value of PR, means hypotenuse, but we have find out. Now next question, you are given that if sin a equal to 3/4, sin a equal to 3/4, calculate cos a and tan a. So first we will erase it. Question number 3. Given that if sine of angle A equal to 3/4, comma, calculate cos A and tan A, cos of angle A and tangent of angle A. So in our question given that sin A of angle A equal to 3/4 means sin A means sin of any angle is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sin A also equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse equal to 3/4. Means perpendicular is 3x unit and hypotenuse is 4 unit. Means here between 3 and 4 a common factor also, which may be any variable, we take here x. So in this question perpendicular equal to 3x unit and hypotenuse equal to 4x unit. First we will draw a right angle triangle. A, B, C. Since in this question given that sine of angle A, so we cannot nominate a right angle as A. We can take right angle either B or C. Either B or C. So I am taken this angle as A and right angle as B and here C. So sine of angle A equal to 3/4, which means perpendicular of this triangle for angle A equal to BC. Means BC is 3x unit and hypotenuse is 4x unit. So find out base AB. So in this triangle, in the given triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. Then AB equal to under root AC square minus BC square means AC is 4x square minus 3x square equal to 16x square minus 9x square. And it becomes 7x square x root 7. The value of AB is x root 7. Now we need to find out cos of angle A. So cos of angle A, cos A equal to AB upon AC equal to x root 7/4x. X will cancel out here. So cos of angle A equal to under root 7/4. Under root 7/4. And tan A tangent of angle A equal to, since tan equal to perpendicular upon base, so perpendicular is BC. BC upon AB equal to BC is 3x upon x root 7, and x will cancel out. Tangent of angle A equal to 3 upon under root 7. If we rationalize the denominator, and for this rationalization, under root 7 into under root 7 equal to 3 root. This is the value of tangent of angle A for this given triangle. Sometimes this question can be given another way. Here we can write it 4 sin A equal to 3. 4 sin A equal to 3. And you are asked to find out the value of cos A and tan A. If the question is given in this way, we will solve this question in this way also. मतलब दोनों ही क्वेश्चन एक ही जैसे सॉल्व किए जाएंगे, हमारा सलूशन वैसे ही होगा, क्योंकि अगर इस तरह से दिया जाता है तो भी हम क्या करेंगे, इस 4 को ट्रांसपोज करके इस साइड ले आएंगे और ये भी क्वेश्चन हमारा फिर ऐसे ही बन जाएगा जो. सो you need not to worry if this question is given in this way. First use your mind and change this question in this way. And our fourth problem is given in this way here also. In fourth question given that question number 4. Given that given 15 cot A equal to A and asked to calculate sine A and sec A and find sine of angle A and secant of angle A. So very simple question, students. Don't worry. If 15 cot A equal to 8, so transpose this value 15 towards right side and you will find cot of angle A equal to 8 by 15. And cot of angle A says cot of any angle is based upon perpendicular. Based upon perpendicular. Base, now compare it. Given that 8 upon 15, it means base is 8 x unit and perpendicular is 15. X is the share between 8 and 15. So first draw a right angle triangle to solve A, B. In this question, it is not defined that which angle is right angle, and we take here right angle as C, because we cannot take right angle as A, क्योंकि हमें A की ही वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है रेशियो में, इसलिए हम राइट एंगल को A नहीं ले सकते हैं. तो base is 8x and perpendicular is 15x and find out the hypotenuse. So in this triangle, in triangle ABC, angle C equal to 90 degree, then AB is hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse AB equal to under root AC square plus BC square. Means AC is 8x square plus 15x square, 64x square plus 225x square, and it becomes 289x square, and 289 is square of 17. So AB equal to 17x unit. We can write the value of hypotenuse is 17x. X is only variable, or we can say that x is HCF between AC, among AC, AB and BC. So Sine of angle A. Sine and A. Sine of angle A equal to, for A angle BC is perpendicular, means BC upon AB is hypotenuse, means 15x upon 17x, means sine of angle A equal to 15x upon 17x, and it becomes sine A equal to 15 by 17, and sec A equal to hypotenuse upon base, on base hypotenuse is 17x and base is 8x, so sec of angle A equal to 17 by 8. Now students, solve these questions and note down these questions and solve another question of same type questions as homework. So note down your homework. From another book, Advisors Mathematics. This book is written by A.C. Sinha. In this book given that first erase it and then note down homework. In this book, this chapter is given as chapter number 4, and first type question. In triangle ABC, A B C 3 4 5. The side angle B is right angle. Angle B is a right angle, and this is figure number 1. Question number 1. Question number 1 figure, and we are asked find the value of sin A, find sin A, cos A, tan A, sin C, sin of angle C, cos of angle C, and tangent of angle C. मीन्स इन दोनों एंगल का साइन और कॉस और tan निकालना है हम लोगों को। ए और सी दोनों एंगल बचते हैं, उन्हीं की साइन कॉस tan फाइंड आउट करनी है। And second number question is same time, and third question another figure given here. This angle is theta A, angle B 90 degree and angle C, and here 13 and here 12, and ask find the value of first part sine of angle theta, second part tangent of angle theta, and tangent of angle A minus cot of angle C. So students, these two questions are homework, and another questions will solve in other exercise, other video. So watch video and understand the solution of questions and solve simple questions as homework. This is the figure of question number 2. Question number 2 figure. So in this video and